Heading out to Justin's. Right now we gotta go get a hat. This one's pretty disgusting. This one is gross with the sweat. Look at that. That's a lot of hard work right there. Hat A. Hat B. Hat C. We'll go with, let's see, what's gonna go with my outfit? Hat number 1. So today I'm gonna do some sandblasting. We're gonna go to the junkyard. Alright, if I'm gonna pull this off, you get the video.
Just sit right there and let it video you.
No, do some commentary.
I don't do commentary.
Just try it.
I don't like to. Well, because I'm gonna be pulling it off here in like 2 seconds, so if you get frustrated.
Alright. Whoa! What was that?
I threw the caliper back in the car. What were you even hitting on?
What?
What were you even hitting on?
You? We're here getting another... What the heck are we getting? Okay, it's take 2. Alright. What are we getting? Alright. We're here getting the second spindle. Is there anything else that we need from this vehicle?
No.
I'll just double check. What about an antenna? No? Alright, let's go look and see what weird stuff we find in these cars. Ooh. Rat out of the cellar. Oh, CD's gone. Somebody must have beat us here. Oh, Adam made a heart. Smoked cigarettes and took some kind of pills. You're such a special boy. Oh, crackers. Are you hungry? Crackers. Put your hand out. Look at it. You don't have to chew them. That's it, huh? What?
Mixed breakfast burrito with beans.
We'll get 1 mixed breakfast burrito with beans. Oh, have you seen the Justin's carpet? That looks pretty awesome. So, what are you doing with this thing?
Making a ball joint.
This is a ball joint?
With tape measure.
Making a ball joint holder, cutting it with a saw, tightening the spinning thing, squirting liquid, watching it go round. Let me get it. Hang on, I didn't get it. I didn't.
You're so annoying.
I still didn't get it.
Okay, it hurt.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we're going on an adventure.
Ladies and gentlemen, crap.
What the hell?
Watch out for the wasp.
I just got one on my arm. Did you get bit?
Yes. 4 times.
Gosh, why wasn't I videoing that?
Yeah, I got it there, in the butt. Ah! Take it. Shit. Go get my spray.
You get stung or bitten?
Stung. Wasps don't bite.
Take that. You think that did it? I don't think that did nothing.
Yeah, so I'll try to get out of there.
Oh, yeah.
Flip it over.
You flip it over.
Flip it over.
I'm videoing.
You need to come do your weeds.
I do that. I hate that one.
I got it.
This is not even heavy.
Oh, yeah, you're not even holding it. I know.
So Justin's gonna build a new A-arm. So my job is to take off the lower A-arm. Feeling a little defeated. I got this bolt that's not coming out, and I gotta do everything.
And there we have one finished handmade ball joint cup. Then press into there.
That's nice.
There you go.
Started like that and ended like that. Nice job. Okay, come help me get this bolt out.
Get your own bolt out.
Please. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Quit with ladies and gentlemen. That's annoying.
Can you get that bolt out?
What bolt?
Look at that, everybody. Looks like I got it. What do you call that?
Doing your job for you.
Thank you. There we have it. Gonna take this old A-arm, use the measurements, and make a new one.
We're good. Makes life easy.
What's good about that?
Arm symmetrical. So it's right or left. I mean, it can be right or left arm, so we only have to build one jig to do both arms.
So you built this, built A-arms.
An A-arm jig.
What are you thinking with the wheel?
What do you mean with the wheel? Need a bigger wheel.
So I need to go get new wheels for the Catalina, because the ones that are on it right now are 14s. We need 15s. The thing that I'm worried about is the bolt pattern right here. If it's off just a little bit, they're not going to fit.
2 7/8, roughly.
Roughly. See, that is roughly is going to get me a 4.
No, it's not. 2 15/16.
That ain't happening.
Center to center.
I'm making a circle.
No, because go find a what you call it, small wheel, and measure, see how different it is.
What does that mean?
Come here.
Okay, I didn't get that yet.
Get what?
Whatever we just did.
See this one? See how small that is? That's not close to 2 7/8, or 2 15/16. You're 2 5/8.
See, all this is mumbo jumbo. It's like speaking Spanish.
Measure from here to here.
Where to where? Okay.
This side of the hole, that side of the hole. See how that's 2 5/8?
No.
What do you mean no?
Is that 5/8?
Yes.
Okay.
And it's not 2 15/16.
Oh my gosh, that's why we need to set circle. If I do the circle, how would we do the circle?
Center of the holes.
I just know what I'm good at and what I'm not good at. I'm not good at tape measuring.
Draw yourself a circle.
That's what I'm gonna do. Ladies and gentlemen, we have success. And what? Going to another junkyard. Gonna get some rims. This is the circle, and if I lay it properly, that's how I can tell if I'm using the right bolt pattern. Center of all the holes. So anyways, we're selling these on the website, so check them out. Only $29.95, and soon you won't need to use a tape measure. You could just use one of these. Mike's here. Let's see what he does.
damn it.
Mike, what have you been up to?
Nothing. Not being filmed. Your tires. Nothing's ever gonna get done around here if you don't look for your stuff. Are you looking up your tire or what?
I'm looking up your nose.
Quit being so weird.
Right there. Can I pull it? There, I got it. Can you believe it? We finally got something built.
Steer it! The tire's off the wheel now, and you're coming out.
So I saw you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, I did, and I love it.
Ah,
it's
thanks.
great.
Yeah, thank
You
you.
do a good job.
Thank you.
I think more people should look at it and subscribe. So everybody subscribe.